Welcome to Pagsaboka Scholar ng Tribo, a transformative initiative founded by the esteemed Honorable Rodolfo Mande. Driven by a profound advocacy, Honorable Mande envisions a world where dignity and honor of indigenous people are restored through the power of education.
Madigan mga point kanyo Mati akatipita.
Assalamualaikum.
Maopian no Aldo Kanyulangon.
My name is Jella Carabina, the current Pagsaboka Scholar ng Tribo President.
Honorable Mande's commitment to discuss stems from a deep understanding of the challenges faced by the indigenous communities. Through Pagsaboka Scholar ng Tribo, he seeks to provide quality education that not only empowers but also celebrates cultural identity of indigenous youth.
Maling adlaw haga Sir Kalajin Jaime Capote, ug ako isa ka communication student gikan sa University of Mindanao. Dako kaya kong pasalamat kay Dato Rudy Mande tungod sa iyang pagsuporta sa mga katribuhan, especially sa akuan nagdatagan ng opportunity to be a scholarship under indigenous people.
Madigan mga point kanyo napaday si Ronchi Tribaco, nag-eskwela sa Davao Central College. Ang tribo na ko is Pagbobo Tagabawa. Ako ko pasalamat sa scholarship sa Pagsaboka na kay. Dako siya og tabang sa pag-eskwela.
By bridging the gap between traditional knowledge and modern education, Pagsaboka Scholar ng Tribo nurtures a generation of scholars who are proud of their roots and equipped to contribute to their communities and beyond.
Mapia Kapipita, sa si Saibin Kakambang, and I am from the Iranian tribe, taking up Bachelor of Arts in Political Science. Being part of the Pagsaboka Scholar ng Tribo has been a huge blessing for me. It has opened doors for many of us, and it has lightened the financial burden of my family. So thank you so much to Dato Mandi for this opportunity.
Madyaw na adlaw kamayo tibo. Ako si Anamidi Gaynon, gikan sang Tribong Mandala. Taking up a Bachelor of Science in Social Work from University of Mindanao. Dako akong pagpasalamat tungod sa tabang ni Dato Rodolfo Mande nga makaskila nga libre.
Adlaw kamayo tanan, ako si Jola Marie Masinadjong, taking out of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management, gikan sa Eskwelahan sa University of Mindanao. Proud, isa sa estudyante nga proud as miyembro ng Scholar ng Tribo ni Councilor Dato Rodolfo Mande. Buot ko ipadayag ang akong dako nga pagpasalamat sa iyang scholarship na gihatag sa amoa. Kini nga oportunidad isa sa instrumento nga kami magpadayon jud sa among pag-eskwela. And to Councilor Dato Rodolfo Mande, thank you for your support and believing in us sa amoa mga Manday ay.
Assalamualaikum. I am Fatma Osman, 20 years old, as a third-year social work student from the University of Mindanao. I came from the Kagan tribe from Sitio Silad, Mandug, Davao City. I am truly grateful for the scholarship opportunity offered to us. Despite focusing on the 5 major tribes of Davao City, Dato Rodolfo Mande kindly included our tribe, the Kagan tribe, to become a recipient of the IP scholarship program, and I am truly grateful for that. Your kindness has significantly impacted my academic journey.
Mopian Allo Kanyulangon, siyak si Adriel G. Abayan, Pumonto, Tribong Uluman. I am taking up Bachelor of Culture and Arts Education at Philippine Women's College. Una sa tanan, dako pasalamat sa Ginoo gyud kay tungod sa iyaha, tanan pagampo nako iyang gitubag. Tuwa kay Dato Rodolfo Mande nga amuang isip na amahan sa tribo, labaw na sa mga estudyante, mga pangandoy sa kinabuhi. Tungod sa iyaha, hatagan miniyaw ka ng oportunidad para eskwela og libre tungod sa iyang initiative nga Scholar ng Tribo, Dapog sa Boca Scholar ng Tribo Network.
Malingwat daw ng mga lahat, hago kontra sa Legion Galon, ikan sa Trigo Tagaluglata, isa ka IT scholar, currently studying at University of Immaculate Concepcion, taking Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in General Studies. First things first is that I would like to thank Dr. Ruben Andino for being invested towards indigenous people as well as the IT community na isip usa ka IT youth na hindi nga nakabatog kami ng quality education, hindi na ang opportunity namin pribilehiyo ng pa-eskwela. And also through him, it is silver lining towards IT community and even indigenous people that this image become an inspiration towards other people, advocating the education towards the mga tao na ang IP or the indigenous people is not just really those people na nagpulit na sa parkland area na ginaluktan before, but through him na raise ang image sa indigenous people.
Mopiano Aldo Kanyulangon, ako di ay si Francis Fernandez, scholar ni Dato Rudy sa kurso na Doctor of Medicine. I already finished Bachelor of Science in Nursing sa Davao Doctors College and currently a grantee of the Scholar ng Tribo para sa kurso na mag-eskwela of Doctor. Even before, my family has already been involved in the development sa tribes, no, sa pinaagi sa mga NGOs like Kalayag and Dipog sa Boca, and it has really been a God-given opportunity ba na makaskwela kong doctor kay it has been my dream even before, and because of Dato Rudy Mandi, my dream became a reality.
Mapian alo kaniya langon. So my name is Jella Carabileta, the current Pagsaboka Scholar ng President, and currently studying at Philippine Women's College of Davao, taking a Bachelor of Early Childhood Education and a proud woman. First and foremost, I want to thank God yun for using the life of Tatay, Daddy, Dato, or Councilor Roddy Mande, for using him as an instrument para makapadayon niya sa mga pag-eskwela. Because personally, in my own testimony, naagi possibility if wala ning scholarship, dili yun ko makahuman or makapadayon sa ako ang pag-eskwela. That's why I am so overwhelmed. Dako kayong ako ang pagpasalamat. Kaya tungod aning mga scholarship, nakapadayon ni sa ako ang pag-eskwela. So, in behalf of the Pagsaboka Scholar ng Tribo, daghan kaayong salamat.
We are the Pagsaboka Scholar ng Tribo. Daghang salamat, Dato Rodolfo Mande.